Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Figma to Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and click on the official website to access the platform. Once the Claude interface loads, look at the lower left corner and click on your profile icon to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access account options. Inside Settings, find the Connectors section and click on it. Then, choose the option to browse available connectors. In the Connectors page, use the search bar and type Figma to quickly locate it. Once Figma appears, click on it to open the integration page and review the details. Next, click on the Connect button. You will be prompted to log in to your Figma account. Enter your credentials and continue. After logging in, authorize the connection by granting the required permissions. This allows Claude to access your Figma files and streamline your workflow. So that's basically how you can connect Figma to Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.